How to log in Bank of Baroda online banking account. Hey there, welcome to our tutorial on how to log in your Bank of Baroda online banking account. Bank of Baroda offers a convenient and secure way to manage your finances online. And today we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to access your account. Let's dive in. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Login Baroda Online and hit enter. Tap on the official Bank of Baroda banking link from the list of results. You will be directed to the official Bank of Baroda e-banking page. Here you can enter your user ID and select your preferred language. Tap on the login button to proceed to your account. On the login page, you will also find other helpful links such as unlock user ID, reset security answers, forgot user ID, and disable. These links can assist you with various account-related tasks and issues. Additionally, you can explore options like online registration for a new card or account. And there you have it. That's almost everything that you need to know about logging into your Bank of Baroda online banking account. With a few simple steps, you will have access to manage your finances conveniently and securely.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.